Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Disguised Chef. Last time I did prepare rice kheer. I hope you all have seen its video and I wish you all to try whenever you get time in your hands. So today I will be sharing a quickie snack bite recipe with you guys, which is cheesy and is loaded with vegetables. So without wasting much time, let me tell you what I'm going to prepare today. So today we are going to prepare veggie bun with extra cheese. It is very quick and easy to prepare. It will not take much time. It will just require 10 to 15 minutes of preparation. So talking about ingredients, we would first need butter, cheese slices, Amul cheese slice or any cheese slice that you would like. You have vegetables. I have chopped onion here, capsicum, steamed corns I have taken, and I have taken cheese. I have sliced it in this way and I will be telling you how we are going to use this. Salt, pepper, and yes, bun. Of course we would be using bun. We would need mayonnaise, and also additionally you can add chaat masala, little bit of chaat masala, not much, and pizza oregano if you like so. I'm using this Kia pizza oregano. You can also add this. So let's quickly start preparing the mixture. First of all, I would be adding onion, capsicum, sweet corns. We'll add a little bit of salt to it, little bit of black pepper, very little amount of chaat masala, oregano if you like so, very little quantity we need to add. Then we need to add little bit of mayonnaise, like this, not too much flavor, and now we are going to mix it well. So as of now this is looking something like this. So I will go ahead and add small cubes of cheese slice to it as well. I have chopped cheese like this. We will be adding these cheese cubes to this mixture like this. Mix it well. Our mixture is ready now, and now let's start working on the buns. First of all, we will grease the pan with butter like this, and add our buns to it. Like this, putting some butter on the top. Let it roast properly. Now it seems it is roasted well. We will put it down on a plate. We will pick this up. And plate this on this. Now you have to gently cut this bun. Like this. Like this you have to cut it. And now you have to cut it from inside. Very gently. Make a pocket out of it like this. Add the cheese slice to it Very gently place it inside. Like this. And now you have to add in the filling that we have prepared. Vegetable filling. After filling, this is going to look something like this. Roasted from outside, soft and cheesy from the inside. And now we will heat it either on the pan or in microwave for 10 to 15 seconds and it will be ready to serve. And finally, after heating it in microwave or on pan for 15 to 20 seconds, it looks something like this. Crisp from the outside and cheesy from the inside. I'm sure you all are going to love it. Do try this quick recipe at your home and do let me know how did it taste for you. Do give a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below stating how did it taste for you. Also do watch all my other videos. I hope you will like them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Disguised Chef. And stay safe, stay at home, stay with your families and beat coronavirus. Until next video, goodbye from Disguised Chef.